Yard Bounce House Inflatable Bouncer Jumping Bouncing House Jump Slide Dunk Playhouse with Blower. Yard Bounce House 6209 measures 12 length, 9 width and 8 height when inflated, and has a capacity of 4 children, maximum 100 pounds each, 400 pounds total. Suitable for outdoor and indoor, ideal for almost anywhere in or around house, in backyard or living room, for a birthday party, Christmas party, family reunion, or for any occasion to keep the kids entertained as they bounce around in the moonwalk. Safety for kids. 6209 bouncy castle designed with safety features and comply with manufacturing laws. Stakes anchor the bouncer firmly in ground. Mesh net protect children. Your kids will bounce freely while you take comfort knowing they're well protected by safety netting. Yard bring happiness to every family. High quality and extra thick jumping sliding area. Yard 6209 bounce house made of high quality material with highest standard to ensure the kids' safety. Durable sewing and extra thick jumping and sliding area is constructed from the highest quality materials to ensure it's strong and sturdy. Comes with a 380W heavy-duty blower.